Okay, guys, this is going to be the topic for the class of today. You're going to perform a workshop about linear functions, part 2. And this is what you're going to do. You're going to make these 5 exercises. What am I expecting you to do is to draw all these graphics, but applying the method of tabulation, okay? That was the method of the class of the Tuesday. So you are going to make the table of tabulation for each one of these. You're going to make the graphic, and if you want to make these 5 graphics in only one Cartesian plane, that's cool. I forgot this. Haha. No, no, no. Aha. Okay, that's right now. If you want to put these 5 graphics in the same Cartesian plane, I don't mind. That's cool for me. But if you are going to do that, please choose one color to each one of them, so you don't get confused, and I, especially me, don't get confused. Okay. For this part, we are going to work as asynchronic. I'm going to end this call, and I'm only going to remain with the persons who doesn't understand anything at all, or the persons who have some questions or have some doubts about this topic can return to this call again, because I'm going to remain in the call, okay? So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind, and good luck.